Welcome to the channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. Today I'm going to show you a new item I got, and that was a gift. And this is my new headlamp. This is a multifunction induction headlamp. And before we dive into this, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here is my new headlamp, and as I mentioned earlier, this is a multifunctional induction headlamp. And this model is W689-3. And they have two other models of this headlamp. The first one has one stripe of LED, and this one has two. But I have that one, so that's cool. But let's take a look at the headlamp itself. It looks like this. Here we have the LED and a regular flashlight here. The flashlight has two buttons. This one is on and off, and you change between the LED and this one with the same button, and you turn it off here as well. If you push this button, you can use your hand to turn it on and off. So, how bright is this headlamp? Well, let's take a look. That's really bright, and this gives a floodlight, so you have a more wider beam. And here we have the regular with a more narrow beam. And now you can see this indicator here is red, but if I turn on the other button, it turns green. So I can do like this. Oops. Like this. And this. So easy. And now that function is off, and we can turn that off. So good strap for your head. It fits very comfortable, lightweight. It has plastic here and rubber here, and some rubber on the top here, which is nice. The buttons are rubber, made of rubber as well. This part is also rubber, which is really nice. It protects the headlamp from the weather, especially if it's raining. So that's nice. I have tried this headlamp twice. And what is my opinion about this one? I like it. I really like it. It gives a nice wide floodlight with this, and that's really nice. And you can see on a little bit longer distances with this one because it's more narrower beam, so you can see further with this one. But if you're at home, this will be a good help because it has a lot wider beam. You can see every room more clearly, so that's nice. And it comes with a charging cable as well, so that's nice. I have used it twice, as I mentioned, and I got this as a gift, which is really nice. And it has also an adjustable band here, and it's stretchy as well, which is good. I like it. Really comfortable. I haven't seen any issues or cons with this headlamp yet. So that's all for today's video, guys. And remember, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, and comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. And remember, be part of the solution, not the problem. Strength and honor. Shadow Scout Swede out.